Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we will be talking about one of our favorite TV series, Heartland. Our favorite actress Amber Marshall has a special update to the fans about Heartland Season 15, Episode 4. Plus, we also have some spoilers for the new episode. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. Our favorite Amber Marshall is regularly updating the fans in her Instagram about what she has been doing lately. And now, as Heartland Season 15 is underway and has already premiered its first 3 episodes titled Moving Toward the Light, Runaway, and Bad Moon Rising, Amber Marshall is back again with a special update to all the Heartland fans, which she calls A Marshall Weather Report, and she posted it on her Instagram. She started with, "Well, hello, and here is your A Marshall weather report for the foothills. It is November 1st and it sure looks like winter around here. As you can see in the background, we still have quite a bit of snow. It was minus 15 this morning when I was doing chores, so it was a little chilly. What are you doing back there?" She teases her little horse and said, "We have the little colt behind me. And for those of you who got my newsletter this morning, it was quite a long read. So I apologize, but I had a lot to do. So hopefully you had a chance to read through it. And I have decided for this week I am donating 100% of the proceeds through my online store to the WHOAS organization, which they help out wild horses of Alberta. And that's where this little guy came from." She was talking about the little colt. Then she continued, "So if you get a chance, go onto my store and just know that anything that you purchase here, 100% of the proceeds are going to go to a great cause. If you want to purchase goods from Amber Marshall's store, then we have left the link to her store in the description box below, which you guys can check it out." And at last, she concluded her weather report by saying, "So I hope everybody is doing well. Happy November 1st. Now let's have a discussion on the main point of the 3rd episode of Heartland. In this episode, the recent break-in started to affect the Bartlett Fleming clan. Lindy wasn't sleeping well and she asked if the thieves could come to Heartland too. So Lisa decided to do something about it and buy a new security system for the Heartland ranch. Jack chose to install the security system all by himself, which led to more problems. First, the raccoon triggered the motion sensor cameras outside the barn. And then the family woke up one night by a blaring security alarm because Jack had turned on the motion sensors inside the house and Lindy tripped them by getting some water in the kitchen in the middle of the night. But when the whole family attended Cooper's gala, Jack started to get alerts. Jack thinks that it's raccoons and tries to turn off the motion alerts, but he accidentally ends up turning off the whole system, which ends up being disastrous because when the family got back to Heartland from the gala, they discovered that all the lights at the ranch house were turned off. Remy was outside the door barking, and a window in the screen door was broken. The robbers had been at Heartland and all that was left was the mess that the burglars made while they were robbing the house. So the next episode will show us how the family copes with getting targeted by the robbers. However, it will be interesting to see how Jack will cope with the break-in since it was his mistake as he turned off the whole system that caused the thieves to be able to do so much damage. What we think is something bad is going to happen in the next episode. After the break-in at Heartland, unwelcome memories of his father floored Jack. Amy and Logan work with a wild horse, and Tim and Parker form an unlikely duo to find the stolen goods. The promo for the new episode shows Jack telling that he can't be safe in his own home. It seems like in the new episode, we will be seeing some more scenes of flashback, most probably the flashbacks of Jack's past. We are all very much excited to see some more of what happened in Jack's past regarding his sister June. What we think is that the flashbacks of main characters are the best way to do character development and it's also the easiest way to do so. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.